What's up, everybody? This is Jose from Sun Life.
Hey, Kater.
We are on Interstate 10 in Alabama.
Oh, yeah.
Alabama, Baldwin County, heading towards Mobile.
Yeah, we're in Jose's favorite state.
Yeah.
If you know anything about our channel, yeah.
There's a good, they had like 8 to 10 inches of snow in this part of this country down here.
Yeah.
And good amount of snowfall.
Yeah.
Lots of slowdowns. I-10 was closed down for a while. They opened it up last night, and it's still stuck in a little bumper to bumper. A minute ago, there's 3 or 4 accidents up ahead. It's a pretty much a nightmare. Pretty much a nightmare. The South doesn't really handle snow too well.
No.
You got all these. Here we go. It's you drive for a few miles and then you stop again. It's not exactly a fun ride. But Katie's genuine idea of going to Mobile, Alabama today was just absolutely putting me on. Oh, you're there too. What's up, Katie?
Yeah, I'm alive.
I think it's just like an abusive relationship. Like, I'm alive! I'm still alive, y'all! Hasn't happened yet!
Yeah, I think people are like convinced that I'm like
In trouble.
yeah. No, or my weight is gonna kill me.
Well, I'm convinced of that. You don't have to convince me that.
Tomorrow type thing.
Well, week, month, year.
Probably a few years.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
You ain't got that much time to Katie. I'm being optimistic.
Yeah.
They don't even hit the like button if I'm leading into these videos. They're like,
I know.
I'm better at Jose.
Have you figured out the better that he does, the better I am?
Because she's exploiting me. Now, who's a real narcissist here? Look at all the snow. Isn't that awesome? I love how like on one side of the road it hasn't melted because the sun's not hitting it.
Yeah.
Record snowfall. Is it me or I guess it's the cars that are picking up the snow and throwing it?
Yeah.
Ah, pero no pásate tipo, anda puro pasere. Okay. 35 minutes from Mobile, Alabama.
Yeah.
We're in good old Baldwin County. I'll tell you what, down there, that got it down. There we go, another slowdown. We got a truck inches from our bumper. Why would you do that? I'm not in a rush to hit him in a snow lane, dude. Eu não estar arretando à noite. Porque vamos sem apoio, sem nada, sério.
There are stalled vehicles ahead.
There are stalled vehicles ahead. This semi right here has been really conflictive. The semi truck behind us. It's
Yeah.
been fairly conflictive. He's been aggressive. They just don't know what to do with this kind of snow in the south.
Yeah.
Great. That was bread. Now he's like riding our bumper. Look at all that. Wow, that's Smith and Weston toward 5. Give me that Smith and Weston 45. Stalled semi. I have the air conditioner on. This was crazy. Not that it's not. I don't know, it just feels good to have it. You're tired, huh?
What?
You're tired, aren't you?
I'm not tired.
Semi thinks he's gonna pass me. But he doesn't know that I'm gonna pass him before he can pass me.
Yeah.
You wanna stop before we get to Mobile somewhere? Because you know, in Mobile there's like nothing.
I'm alright. I don't need to stop. It's just happening. Yeah.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Because you know, Spanish Fort's real nice. You can stop over here.
Yeah. I'm okay.
Whatever we gotta do before we can get him. Because you know, in Mobile, I don't even like to stop alone or anything.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to set foot in that town. So I want to read some of the comments from the Mobile videos so we know how we know what makes them mad.
Yeah.
Police up ahead.
There are police reported ahead.
It's in 65 around here, not 70,
Yeah.
if I remember.
They didn't even go to the trenches for real. We don't talk like that. We definitely ain't slow. Mobile get it.
Mobile get it, yeah. That's not even England, yeah. You're not even speaking England right there.
Wow, you wouldn't talk about anybody or judge them before you know them, would you? I don't think you would earn subs when you stereotype people.
Yes, we do stereotype people.
You've been driving around in circles in one of the worst crime-ridden DD.
Okay, hold on, stop. So one person says you're not even in the trenches, dog, and the other one says
You're
you've
the
been driving
worst
around. You're the worst area. Okay, so there's no concordance between these people.
Yeah.
They can't agree on anything. All right, that's good to know. No concordance there. One person.
Why y'all here anyway? The outer pinto beans, where y'all from?
Wow, that's so racist.
Where you're are.
See, they're very racist
Works
in
both
Alabama.
ways, homeboy. Yeah.
They're very racist. But he said something interesting. We should say, why are we here during the video?
Yeah.
Like, we don't even know why. Like, we should act like, why are we here? We should take notes. Open up a notepad. We should act like we don't know why we're here. That'll anger them. Like, why are we here? We know what we should do? We should have like an argument during the video about why we're here and blame each other for the reason why we're there.
Yeah.
Like, why did we come here? It was your idea. I think it wasn't my idea to come here. Why the crap would I want to come here? Like a why are we here argument. We'll have an argument during the video. Like, okay, we'll keep writing. God, I keep finding. Is that an alligator?
Maybe.
Poor fella right there that froze to death. Alright, keep going through the comments. We're gonna argue about why we're here.
Okay. Y'all talking falsehood about Mobile, drive around your own city, and talk. I can't even spell the S word correctly. You apparently know nothing about Mobile, Alabama.
Okay, so we should know nothing about Mobile. Like, we should pretend we take a note of that. We should know nothing about their town. Okay, that's very important. We should know nothing about their town.
Bro, they have we accept EBT signs everywhere, not just in Mobile, not sure.
Okay, we should say this is I've never seen so many EBT signs. Right, that EBT.
Uh-huh.
We should say.
swear there's a store around the corner from your house that says that.
No, there ain't. Not in the neighborhood I live in, buddy.
Nope.
I live in the best rated community in
Yeah.
Florida, Lakewood
I don't even want
Ranch.
to tell you where I live.
I live in Lakewood Ranch, man. I'll tell him where I live. He's not welcome there. He can't
Yeah.
afford to go there.
Yeah. Mobile has day labor paying you the same. You can ride your
For the
bike
bad-
around
they
town.
got it undercover.
But Atlanta, Georgia has SC.
What's SC? Which comment is it?
The first one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can't say that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got you.
Someone said love.
Nice.
Bunch of hearts. Mobile, Alabama, the original place for Mardi Gras.
Yes, you are.
And someone said it was the wrong place to stop. You should not visit Mobile. You're wrong about 80% of your video.
We should not visit Mobile. I agree.
Mm-hmm.
I really do agree. We shouldn't visit Mobile.
I love the MOB. I have spent time in Mobile and found it to be a beautiful city filled with historic homes and tree-shaded streets. The downtown is very nice. Also check out the Battle House Hotel and the Catholic Cathedral.
Brother, a Battle House what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Not interested in a Battle House.
Yeah. They want to, this person wants to let you know they're from Athens, Alabama, and they've been there for 34 years.
Oh, I remember that comment.
Yeah.
There are police reported ahead.
You're painting a bad picture of Mobile, but you have no clue about
Hold on,
our
Mobile.
city. Yeah.
Mobile. I'm painting a bad picture about Mobile. Huh. Mobile paints itself. I don't need to.
This is also from the same person. When laughing emoji. When I heard he said we didn't come up with Mardi Gras, and I knew he didn't have a clue what they almost got themselves in. Same person, by the way. I'll give y'all a hood to go, but I bet y'all gonna run for your life.
First of all, I lived in Montgomery,
Yeah.
Louisville.
Mm-hmm.
Way more gangster than Birmingham, whatever the crap.
Mobile, yeah.
Mobile. We should definitely pronounce it wrong, by the way, during the video.
Yeah.
We should call it Mobile.
Yeah.
I'll do everything we can to aggravate these people.
This is very misleading. Mobile is not as bad as you say. Also, Mardi Gras did not originate in New Orleans. Check your facts.
Check your fact.
I love Mobile.
I love Mobile. I love some people are just like too slow to come up with a
The
reply.
next
It's like,
three comments
I
are
love-
from the same person.
Yeah.
They didn't even enter Mobile for real. They just went down a highway.
Okay.
Okay, Joe. They act like Florida doesn't have a ghetto.
Don't scream. I'm right next to you.
They act like Florida doesn't have a ghetto.
Not as bad as this. Absolutely not.
Even Jacksonville's not as bad as this.
Honestly, no. At least I go to Jacksonville all the time
Yeah.
to enjoy the city. I wouldn't come here to
No.
enjoy anything.
This is the first time in over two years we've been here.
And it's like a dreaded thing to happen.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, and this is the last thing. It's like me going to a bad part of Cali and saying it is S.
Okay, first of all, the worst parts of Cali are better and safer than the best parts of Alabama, analytically. This is just somebody who doesn't even know how to read.
Another Mardi Gras comment.
Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras was in
By the way,
Mobile
it's not-
before
Slow
Louisiana.
down. It's not Mardi Gras. It's Mardi Gras. Say it with me again.
Mardi Gras.
Mardi. Pronounce it wrong. You have to pronounce things wrong.
Mardi Gras.
Mardi, like Marty. Mardi
Mardi
Gras,
Gras.
like Tim McGraw.
Okay.
Mardi Gras.
Yeah, and this
Don't say Mardi Gras. You have to pronounce it wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Mardi Gras.
I'm in California right now, and
Yeah,
I
buddy.
miss Mobile. I didn't appreciate it while I was there.
What are you? member or something down there?
They definitely not in the Klan from the profile picture, I can tell.
Okay.
Yeah. I used to live in Birchville back in the 90s, and it was a bee community that was forced to live like that. And for y'all to make jokes
No, they're
about
not.
it,
They're not forced. No, they're not. Look, I lived in government housing when I came to the United States. We rented a house 3 blocks away and got out there. When I came to the United States in 1996, we came from Cuba. We had nothing. We didn't even speak English like you do here. You're not forced to do anything. You're there because you don't want to work. Unless you're a disabled person, then they don't have a choice. We weren't disabled, and we got the crap out of government housing as soon as we could. No. Absolutely not.
I'm really trying to enjoy your videos, but your stories on Mobile is very misleading. Yes, the city is bad, but it's definitely not as bad as y'all placing it to be. Mobile definitely has some nice areas. I don't think I've been to one, but okay.
Sure, okay. If you think so.
But you have to have an open mind to realize it.
Yeah,
I have plenty of open minds. I've been all over. I will give you all the opportunity.
You know what you need is a closed mind, actually, to be able to. You actually need a closed mind to be able to enjoy Mobile, for sure.
Yeah.
Like, you just have to pretend you are, like, in starving country.
Oh, this next comment is just so... Are you serious?
No.
You don't know what you're talking about. MOB town. 100%. They got guns and the praying hands. Okay.
Yeah, they pray over their guns. That's, logical.
This person was trying to say clickbait. They did not say that. They said something very vulgar.
Alright, guys, you get the idea.
Yeah.
There's no traffic on